Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to make this review of my 2000 Chevy Camaro Super Sport. This is my car right here. I posted a video before, but I wanted to do a YouTube or a video on my car. This is it. Got many modifications, and it's gonna be a cold start video that I wanted to do today. And it's cammed, has long tube headers, 3-inch exhaust, straight pipe, pretty much. Many upgrades, 373s, man, many things under the hood. Not too many, but a few bolt-ons, and upgraded heads, and LS6 intake manifold, a couple other parts. But check it out. I'll set my phone down for a bit. See, you guys can see it. Let's see. Got a 345 wide tires in the back, and then I got 325s in the front. I got C6, I believe these are the Z06 wheels, drilled and slotted rotors, Panama calipers. Got a few suspension parts, and I'm gonna set my phone down. Hopefully you guys can see this pretty good. Let's check it out.